Hello everyone. In this question we have to find out the convolution of two signals x1n and x2n as defined in our question here. And it is given that the convolution of these two signals is equal to a plus b into z inverse plus c into z raised to power minus 2 plus c into z raised to power minus 3 d into z raised to power minus 3 plus e into z raised to power minus 4 plus f into z raised to power minus 5 plus g into z raised to power minus 6 plus h into z raised to power minus 7, and it is asked in the question to find out the value of ah plus bg plus cf plus d. Now to proceed, first we will convert our x1n and x2n into Z transform, as we know that the convolution in n domain is equal to multiplication in Z domain, and the multiplication is much easier as compared to the convolution. So first we convert our x1n and x2n into Z transform. Using the generalized equation for Z transform, we will get x1z equal to 1 minus 2 into z inverse plus z raised to power minus 2, and x2n equal to 1 plus z inverse plus z raised to power minus 2 plus z raised to power minus 3 plus z raised to power minus 4 plus z raised to power minus 5. Now x1n convolution with x2n equal to x1z into x2z. Now multiplying x1z and x2z from above equation, that is from 1 and 2, multiplying 1 and 2, we will get xz equal to 1 into 1 minus z raised to power minus 1 minus z raised to power minus 6 plus z raised to power minus 7. Now comparing our output of the xz with that given in the question, we will get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 0, d equal to 0, a equal to 0, f equal to 0, and g equal to minus 1 and h equal to 1. Now put the value of a, b, c, d and so on in ah plus bg plus cf plus dc. We will get 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is our answer. Thank you.